2.4-liter engine, and you're looking at the front view of my SMAC unit installation. I'm going to show you a top-down view because it's kind of hard to see. That's it down here. When the unit runs up, there's a tubing and check valve. Comes up, around, goes into the bubbler. You can see the bubbler bubbling away. In the bubbler, it goes through a flame arrestor and then into the intake. Right here, I have a relay that's controlled by a switch and also through the ignition, so it doesn't come into play unless the ignition switch is on. But this is my SMAC unit installation.